In section 1.3, we're going to continue with supplementary angles. So we're going to understand and apply supplementary angles. So in this chart, we have a new row and a new column and a different line of yeses. So we're going to refer to all of these as supplementary angles. And the definition of a supplementary angle is when we have two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So all of these, so 155 and 25 add up to 180, just as 140 and 40, 118 and 62, 93 and 87, and so on and so forth. So wherever possible, we're going to find the supplement of angle A. So let's say that we were to take angle A plus angle B and set it equal to 180. So all of these have angle A. So I'm going to move the A to the other side using subtraction. So we're finding the missing angle, the supplement of angle A, which would be angle B. So we're going to do 180 minus angle A. Starting with number 1. So we have 180 minus 26, which gives us 154 degrees. Then in number 2, we have 180 minus 105. Did not work for complementary angles, but it does work for supplementary angles, and we have 75 degrees. In number 3, the only thing that we can do is write down 180 minus x. I'm going to put parentheses around the whole thing along with a degree sign. That is the supplement of angle A. And then finally, number 4, we have 180 minus x minus 4. The first thing we have to do is distribute. So we have 180 minus x plus 4. Combine like terms, so we have 184 minus x. Parentheses around the entire thing along with a degree sign. Box it up, and that is your answer. On this next page, I'm going to go ahead and put a diamond around number 5. So for this number 5, it's a really important problem. And if you notice, we have the word ratio. So we have two supplementary angles now that are in a ratio of 8 to 7. Anytime that we see that word ratio, we're going to put an x. So we have 8x plus 7x equals 180. We're going to find the measure of the smaller angle. We're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So we have 15x equals 180. Divide each side by 15, and we get that x equals 12. I'm going to input the 12 into the 7x because 7x is smaller than 8x. So we have 7 times 12, which equals 84. That 8 times 12 gets us 96 degrees, but since we're looking for the smaller angle, we have 84 degrees. In number 6, we have A and B are supplementary. So therefore, we know that A plus B equals 180 degrees. So we have A is 3x plus 30, plus B, which is 6x plus 15, equals 180. You're going to go ahead and solve for x, and then we need to plug it in to find angle B. Once you solve, you'll get that x equals 15. To find angle B, we're going to input the 15 in for x. So we have 6 times 15 plus 15, which equals 105 degrees. For number 7, we have angle E is the supplement of angle F. Therefore, so we have angle E plus angle F equals 180. So we have f as 30 minus 2x, and we're going to write e as a function in terms of x. So I'm going to move this f to the other side. So we have this function in terms of e. We have 180 minus angle f. We're going to go ahead and input that 30 minus 2x in for f. Go ahead and distribute and solve to get e by itself. So you should be left with e equals 150 plus 2x. We're going to leave it as a function, so we have to put it in function notation, and I'm going to put a degree symbol around the entire thing. So we have e of x equals 150 plus 2x degrees. You're going to apply the same rule for number 8. So again, angle J plus angle K equals 180. This time we're writing J as a function in terms of x, so therefore I'm going to subtract angle K from each side. So we have angle J equals 180 minus angle K. I'm going to take angle K that we were given and input it into this angle K. Distribute and solve. So we have g of x equals 109 plus 5x, so we left j as a function in terms of x, box it up, and this is our answer. For the final question, we have that angle L is the supplement of angle M. So therefore, angle L plus angle M equals 180. I'm going to take 7x minus 15, plug it in for L, plus 8x minus 15 in for angle M equals 180. You're going to solve for x, and then you need to find angle M. You will get that x equals 14. If you did not get that x equals 14, you need to go back. The step that you probably messed up on is this negative 15 minus 15 gets you negative 30, which then you have to add 30 to both sides. You will eventually end up with x equals 14. My final answer, we have angle M equals 8 times 14 minus 15, which equals 112 minus 15, which is 97 degrees. So, for complementary angles and supplementary angles, to understand and apply complementary angles, you need to know that complementary angles are when two angles add up to 90 degrees. And to understand and apply supplementary angles, you need to understand that supplementary angles are when two angles add up to 180 degrees.